Would you like to change your life in 17 seconds? Well, actually, it's increments of 17 seconds up to 68 seconds. I've done it, and I'm going to teach you how to do it too. Message is all about when I learned about the 17-second process from Abraham Hicks. So going back, and I've told this story in other videos, I fell in love with my husband after we'd been friends for many years. And so I spent 2 years gently trying to kind of put myself out there like, hi, and he just wasn't getting it. I didn't want to ruin our friendship. I didn't want to scare him away. So I went through periods during those 2 years of being frustrated and giving up and dating other people. So I was in an I give up phase when we had this big company event that was actually launching his record label. And there was a big show for the band that he was producing. And I wound up having a conversation with my friend and prior boss from the art department at Capitol, Tommy. He's the one that hired both of us in the art department, and that's where we met. And he's always been a spiritual mentor of mine. And I was complaining about, oh, my love life, nothing's happening, blah, blah, blah. He actually said, I'm going to send you a tape of Abraham. I had no idea what that was or who that was. And so I said, okay. So the tape showed up the next day, and I listened to it, and I learned this 17-second process. And I thought, oh my God, that sounds so easy, and it kind of sounds fun. So I started doing it every morning. And really all it is focusing on what you want for 17 seconds. And then another 17 seconds, and another until you get to 68 seconds. Now, it's not just focusing on it. You've got to feel it. It's got to feel good. You've got to get excited about it and feel good about it. If you're focusing on something from a place of lack, like, oh, I really want that, but I can't have it, or it's never going to happen, or I don't know how to make it happen, that kills the flow of energy. So you just want to make sure that you are in a good place of enjoying what you're focusing on, and just enjoy the visualization or the idea of it. That's all that's required. So 17 seconds, focusing on that. I was focusing on him showing up at my place, kissing me hello, being romantic in front of the fireplace. And I did that every morning. I didn't time it, but I knew it was at least 68 seconds. So what happens when you reach 68 seconds of focusing your attention and your energy steadily on what you want? There is a combustion point where the universe goes, got it, and it starts to bring elements of it to you. Now here's the tricky part. It might not bring the whole manifestation there all at once, but you'll start to see little signs, little things showing up that will encourage you to continue on with this practice every day. So what happened with me, I started doing this, and mind you, 2 years of effort. I started doing this, and a month later, he started coming around, making more of an effort, reaching out to me, that had never happened before. And within another month, we were together in a relationship. So it blows my mind to go back and think about this, because 2 years versus 2 months, that's a really great selling point for this process. So I want you to try this. Think of something that you want and just devote 17 seconds to focusing on it every day, and just keep doing those increments up to 68 seconds and watch what happens. So I'll tell you real quick, there's another time that I did this again, because my husband and I were together. We dated for 3 years, and we just wanted different things. And of course in my head I was like, he'll change. But he didn't, and I reached a point where I knew he wasn't going to change, and we needed to move on and go our separate ways, because I wanted something different than he did. And he was fine being on his own. He always was like, I don't want to be in a relationship anyway. But he was happy with me, but he knew we didn't want the same things, but that's a whole other thing. So I spent 3 years dating. I met some great people. There was one in particular that I was crazy about, and it didn't work out, but I did the whole online thing. I let people set me up, and it was just so, it was kind of soul destroying, and it really wrecked my self-esteem to a certain point, and it was exhausting. I was emotionally exhausted after 3 years of this, and I thought, why don't I just go back and do the 17-second process again? And I'll just focus on my ideal partner. I don't know who he is. I don't know what he looks like. I don't know where he is right now, but I'm just going to focus on this image. And so I decided to just start using the 17-second process again, 68. They should really call it the 68-second process because you really need to get to those 68 seconds. But I just started doing this meditation again, and my image was hugging this person. So I couldn't see his face. He was here, but I knew how it felt. And I just focused how I wanted to feel with this person and in this relationship. All of the qualities that I wanted, all of the emotions that I wanted to feel. I didn't worry about any of the other details. And guess what? A month later, my husband happened to call a mutual friend of ours, my friend Jody, who was like, you guys belong together. And all those 3 years, I was like, yeah, no, we can't be friends. It's just too difficult. And she's like, I still think you belong together. So he happened to call her. We actually used to get in fights about it. I'm like, stop it. It's not going to happen. I don't want to get my hopes up because it just wasn't, oh, hi. It just wasn't in my realm of possibility at the time. So he called her for a business question, but we both knew that he had an ulterior motive of asking about me. So she was like, oh my God, can I say something? And I said, don't freak him out. See what's happening first. So the problem was the two of them, neither one of them ever answers their phone. So they played phone tag for a month before finally connecting. He asked his business question, and then he asked about me. So I had been seeing somebody and it was over, and she said, yeah, she's available, give her a call. So long story short, he called and we talked every day for a week, which was unusual because our previous relationship was very sparse. We would talk maybe once or twice a week. I would see him maybe every 2 weeks, and I thought, okay, well, you know what? It was a great relationship. He was a great person. I'll be fine with that going forward. But he was in a different place. He was completely committed and wanted to demonstrate that he was completely committed. So he's calling me every day. At the end of that first week, I had to go over to, I was working at a offsite location from the actual Capitol Records building at the time, but I had to go over to the Capitol Records building because there was a George Thorogood concert in the parking lot. Life was so hard at Capitol. Anyway, I said, I'm going over to Capitol. And so he showed up there and surprised me, and we went to his car and sat and talked afterwards, and then we hugged, and I knew. I recognized the feeling, and I thought, oh my God, he's it. He came back. He is the right person for me. So this 68-second process can bring amazing manifestations and miracles into your life. You just have to do it consistently and just relax about it. Don't worry if specific things aren't showing up in a specific amount of time, because that's not what it's about. It's all about the feeling. And as long as you can feel good, that in and of itself is a manifestation. So just ride the wave of that good feeling until the physical stuff does manifest, because it will. So I hope this helps you utilize this tool and practice this process and see what shows up for you, because I know it's going to be miraculous. So be sure and leave a comment below or contact me somehow and let me know when your miracle shows up for you, because I know it's going to. Want more support? I have created a full guide to help you attract anything you want. You can get it right here, and I will leave the link in the description below. And ladies, if you would like to join a community of like-minded women to be empowered, inspired, and have fun, please join us in the Infinite Women community. I will leave the link here and in the description below. We have amazing day-long events coming up and a Maui retreat next year. You can also work directly with me. Click here to learn more about my one-on-one coaching and my group coaching programs, and that link will also be in the description below. If you like this video, please let me know by clicking the thumbs up, subscribing, and sharing with your friends. And comment below on how helpful you found this message on manifesting what you want. And if you tried it and got some results, please share them below. For the best information about law of attraction and holistic living, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified every time I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Oh my God, I knew it. I can't film without you guys coming in here. And now I need my notes. This is taking way too many takes. Let me finish filming, okay? Here she is, the little noisemaker. Do you want to be in the video? Just let me down.